How to check deleted messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. In the main screen you will view a list of all your message threads. Select a message that you want to delete. Simply press and hold. A menu card will pop up. Here, tap on Delete. A confirmation notice will appear where you will tap on Delete to remove the message. If you want to view the deleted message, tap the Edit button in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on Show Recently Deleted. From here you can restore all the messages or any message that was deleted accidentally. Just select the message you want to restore and tap on Recover at the bottom right and tap Done. Following these steps, you can easily check deleted messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.